Okay, I'm being told CK is not there, but well, markets are all set to open. I'm just going to update my screens here so that I'm able to capture the first rates whenever markets opened. SGX is telling you that we will be in for a flat start. The pre-open rates are telling you that we will be in for a flat start. So nothing large to really look forward to. Rupee, of course, is shut today, so no money markets today. Rupee yesterday closed at 76. That's something which is up for consideration, so to speak. Any second now, the first rates will just start ticking in. Let me just bear with me. Yep, any seconds now. I'm afraid, the stock which I would be, watching out for is, of course, going to be a combination of liquor and ITC and other stocks, because that, in a sense, will tell you. All right, 220 points down for the Sensex. That's the first rate which has kicked in. For Bajaj Finance, it's a downtick of 14 rupees. Britannia down 67 rupees. It's a 90-point cut for the Nifty. So we pretty much have lost whatever we gained yesterday. So markets are jumping in the same place. 7,500 became almost 10,000, from 10,000 back to 9,200. It's not been a snowball meltdown, so to speak. So let's bear that in mind. Markets are weak, but they've not got punctured. It's not that bulls have been pushed to the wall, so to speak. Let me scan through the big gainers and the losers on the index. And the first gainers and the losers in terms of the big... something's wrong with my screen today for some strange reason. There you go. For the Sensex, HCL Tech is reacting to numbers. Sun Pharma is reacting to this entire bent towards pharma in terms of defensive mode. Mahindra & Mahindra is up by 1%. Hindustan Unilever looks like Aisha Abha, the block deal is done. And ONGC today is trading with a downward bias of nearly 2.5%.
Yeah, Unilever, it seems the block deal is done, though I don't know what the volume chart is indicating. Sun Pharma holding higher right now, ITC lower, Axis Bank lower. I want to see what Yes Bank is up to. The numbers are not all that bad after all. So just look out for what that stock as well does. And then HCL Technologies, it's largely a beat, you'd have to say. And the numbers on HCL pretty much indicating the same. I also want to check in on whether or not there's a follow-through coming in for NIT Technologies. What a solid move on the stock yesterday, an inline set of numbers and visibility and guidance by the management, a very clear one on that, and I think that is what the street has really liked. Hindalco as well is in focus. CLSA has upgraded the stock and it's a top pick in metals with a target price of 160. Look out for that as well. Also, you've got a whole host of other names. I want to see what Abbott India is up to. CLSA has come out with its latest note on pharmaceuticals, wherein they've revised their rating on Abbott India to now outperform, so look out for that stock too. Info Edge, that's another stock which is in focus. It seems that Zomato may be looking at delivery of liquor. That is what some of the news wires seem to be indicating. So look out for what that stock as well does. If the queues in Delhi and Mumbai are anything to go by, it seems like people would be queuing up for those Zomato orders as well. Future Retail, Kishore Biani plans to sell a major stake in Future Retail to Amazon. That is what the ET is reporting this morning. So look out for what Future group of stocks as well do. And then you've got a couple of companies which have resumed operations. Arvind Fashions, Escorts, Whirlpool, Pidilite Industries, Kochi Shipyard. These are going to be some important ones as well. Besides HCL Technologies, there's RBL Bank. That's going to be an important one, and then ICICI Securities as well, which reports its numbers later today. So just look out for some of these names as well. They're going to be important as we go into trade. But Yes Bank, that's your top performer. About a 4.5% uptick coming in on Yes Bank, while the Nifty has settled sub that 9200 level. 9195 is where we're currently at. The breadth is well negative right now. HDFC Bank, your big loser. Kotak Bank, your big loser. Unilever, 3% lower. This is purely because of the block deal, I think. And Britannia, which is lower by about 2.5% or so. Along with that, there's a Wipro as well, which is lower as we speak. On the flip side, besides Yes Bank, there's HCL Technologies, United Spirits, UBL, Torrent Pharma. These are all names which are holding out very smartly. Kunal, just one very quick word before we take it across to Krishna Kumar. Testing that 9200 level critically, what does it tell you on the charts about the Nifty now?